My name is Beau Stafford. I'm the owner and operator of Wiscovery Grazing. We graze solar sites for Madison Gas and Electric, and we own approximately 219 sheep. It started only a couple of years ago. We started with a flock of 15. We've grown to 219. Just the last year alone, 163 more sheep. We started without Nofence. We thought we could make it work. We tried polywire. The results were we just couldn't get the sheep to graze the sites uniform enough to adhere to the contract for us to be on site. So we had heard about it, and somebody said, you should try this virtual fencing. I said, I don't know about that. I was really skeptical at first. But you know, the more I looked into it, the more I realized that it's essential for us. We're called Wiscovery Grazing for a reason. It's because we want to try new things. We want to stay on the cutting edge. Agriculture has been about innovation forever. And with virtual fencing, it's truly the cutting edge aspect of agriculture for us. And it's a product that fits well with our mission, and it provides a level of service that we need to be able to maintain. Sheep, they tend to graze in areas, they like elevation, so they like to be up high. And oftentimes they'll camp up there. And it's hard to get them to graze those lowland areas that maybe they don't want to reach out to. We tried moving water, we tried moving mineral, we tried graining down there. Just no luck. It wasn't until we started implementing the collars that they were able to actually stay down in the lowland areas and graze those areas really well, and then we could bring them up to the upland areas. When we're planning our grazing efforts, we are able to see exactly where we've been, and we can then see how much we have left to do. We can set up our timeline for moving our sheep to the next site a lot more specifically, and we can do it on a dime too. If we need to get over to another site, we could call the livestock haulers, come in the next day, boom, they're on a virtual fence the next day. You know, farmers, we don't value our time, but what is your time worth to be able to spend an extra hour with your kids instead of struggling with polywire? You know, that drive time that you have to go check on your sheep instead of checking them on your app. When you're taking the kids to soccer practice or whatever, you can check them on your app. You know exactly where they're at. You can put your head on your pillow at night and not have to worry what happened to that sheep or what's going on with that flock. There's no value assigned to that. That's the kind of thing that provides the peace of mind that we need to be able to start our day fresh, be able to know exactly what we're going to do that day instead of, where's my flock? You know, that part of it is not quantifiable, but it pays off dividends later on. The benefit of Nofence is being able to uniformly graze our sites while also keeping the sheep healthier by having fresh pasture every day. For us, grazing off-site, there's nothing else that I would choose.